Let's have fun with Atharv. Let's have fun with Atharv. Come on, guys. Let's have fun with Atharv.
Hello, Atharv.
Yes, Mama.
What are you doing?
Nothing special. I'm playing my toys.
I have a surprise for
Yeah,
you.
one way.
You have to come with me.
Okay.
Chalo, let's go.
Let's go.
So, Atharv, are you ready for the surprise?
Yeah.
Someone is there to meet you.
Yeah.
Once upon a time, there was a jungle, and in that jungle, there was an elephant. The name of this elephant is Appu. Hello, Atharv. I am Appu, an elephant.
Hello, Appu.
How are you, Atharv?
I am okay.
The elephant was alone and he was looking for some friends. Atharv, will you be my friend?
No, you are very big. You can't play with me. I don't want to be your friend.
Oh, I think Atharv is right. I can't play with him. Elephant was sad and then he started looking around for
Will
the
you be my friend? Will you be my friend? Elephant is asking, will you be my friend?
And suddenly one deer came along. My dear spotty deer, will you be my friend? Oh, elephant, you are too big to be my friend. You can't run like me. I don't want to be your friend. Appu was very sad and he was again started looking for the friends. Oh, there is no one who is my friend. Oh, and then he saw a monkey. Chee 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 chee. Monkey, will you be my friend? Chee 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 chee. Oh, elephant, you can't climb like me. You can't jump like me. I don't want to be your friend. Chee 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 chee. Elephant was sad. Monkey was right. I can't climb like monkey. I can't jump. Oh, I have no friends. And then he saw a little bunny coming around. Hop, 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 hop. Bunny, bunny, will you be my friend? Oh, elephant, you can't play with me. You can't hop like me. I don't want to be your friend. You are too big to be a friend. Oh. And then elephant was very upset. Oh, I have no friends. No one wants to be my friend. Oh no. Oh. And then he saw a froggy. Stop, 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 my friend? Oh, elephant, I don't want to be your friend. No, you can't stop like me. I don't want to be your friend. Elephant was very sad.
We are not your
No one wants
friends.
to
We
be
are
my
not your
friend.
friends.
Oh,
Animals
I
are
am very
saying we are not your
sad.
friends.
Then he heard a noise. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Who is that? He saw a tiger. Ha, 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 ha. Tiger was grabbing and catching every animal. I will eat all the animal. Ha, 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 ha. Dear Mr. Tiger, please don't eat these animals. Mind your own business, elephant. I will eat all the animals. Ha, 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 ha. And then elephant wants to save all the animals and he has no choice but stomp, stomp, stomp. And then tiger ran away. Come on, all the animals. You are now safe. You can come out. And then deer came. Oh, Mr. Elephant, you have saved our life. You are just right sized to be our friend. Will you be my friend? Yes, dear, I will be your friend. And then, who came next? It was a monkey. Chee 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 chee. Dear Mr. Elephant, you are very good. You are very brave. Will you be my friend? Yes, monkey, I will be your friend. Thank you, Mr. Elephant. And then, who was next? It was a bunny. Then bunny came. Hop, 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 hop. Dear elephant, you are right sized to be friend. Will you be my friend? Yes, bunny, I am your friend. Thank you, elephant. And then who was the last? Yes, it was a froggy. Stop, stop, pick, 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 pick. Dear elephant, you are very brave. You have saved our life. Will you be my friend? Yes, Froggy, I am your friend. And who came next?
Mommy.
Okay.
Appu, will you be my friend? You were right side for friend.
Yes, Atharv, we are friends. Hello, everyone. Will you be my friend? Thank you, everyone, for being my friends. So, my dear Atharv, what did you learn from this story?
You should not make friends by look or size.
Very good, Atharv. Now give me a 5. Yes. You wanna be bunny now? Okay. Here is the bunny. I will make one froggy as well. Let's play.
And I want one monkey.
Okay, you can have a monkey.
Yes, we are your friends. Yes, we are your friends. animals are saying now, yes, we are your friend. Elephant is happy, elephant is happy. Elephant has got now so many friends. Elephant is happy, elephant is happy. Elephant has got now so many friends.